Imagine you're looking up at the night sky, the world around you quiet and still. Above, the universe stretches out in all directions, a vast canvas of darkness and light. The stars are twinkling, the air is calm, everything feels familiar, almost timeless. But tonight, something's missing. The moon. Gone, without a trace. The sky feels emptier, as if a piece of our world has quietly slipped away. What happens next? Let's find out what a moonless Earth would really look like. First, let's talk about tides. The moon's gravity is what pulls our oceans back and forth in a rhythmic dance, creating the high and low tides that shape our coastlines. Without it, tides would shrink dramatically, dropping to just a third of their usual height. The gentle rise and fall of the sea would become barely noticeable, changing the very rhythm of life along the shore. Coastal life, from crabs to seabirds, would be thrown into chaos. Creatures that depend on the tides for food, shelter, and breeding would suddenly find their world unpredictable. Entire ecosystems, finely tuned to the moon's schedule, would struggle to survive. Coral reefs, tidal pools, and wetlands could shrink or disappear, threatening countless species. Now, let's zoom out. The moon is like a cosmic anchor for Earth, keeping our planet stable as it spins. Its gravitational pull helps steady our axis, preventing wild swings. Without it, Earth would start to wobble. Imagine a spinning top about to topple over. Our planet's tilt could shift unpredictably, sending our climate into chaos. Our seasons, once predictable, would become wild and extreme. Spring might arrive late, or not at all. Autumn could be cut short by sudden cold snaps. Summers could swing from scorching to chilly, with temperatures fluctuating in ways we've never experienced before. Winters might be mild one year and brutally cold the next. Weather patterns would become unpredictable, making it harder to grow food or prepare for storms. Climate patterns we depend on would unravel. Droughts, floods, and storms could become more frequent and severe, affecting millions of lives. But it gets stranger. Many animals, like sea turtles and even some birds, use the moon to navigate. Its light and cycles are ancient signals guiding their journeys. With no lunar guide, migrations would be thrown off course. Animals might get lost, fail to breed, or even disappear from places they've lived for centuries. Nighttime predators might have an edge, while prey species could vanish entirely. The balance of nature would tip, with ripple effects up and down the food chain. The delicate balance between life and death would be rattled. Some species might adapt, but many could face extinction. And then there's us. Ancient cultures tracked the moon to mark time, plant crops, and tell stories. The moon inspired myths, calendars, and even our sense of wonder. Our connection to the cosmos would feel emptier. The night sky would lose its familiar companion, and our traditions would lose a guiding light. But the biggest danger? Over thousands or millions of years, Earth's tilt could shift wildly. Without the moon's steadying pull, our planet might lean over or even tumble, turning our world upside down. Imagine ice ages arriving out of nowhere, or deserts blooming where forests once stood. The world's landscapes would be transformed in ways we can barely imagine. Life as we know it could be changed forever. The loss of the moon would echo through every ecosystem, every culture, and every generation. So next time you look up at the moon, remember, this glowing orb is more than just a beautiful sight. It's not just a pretty face in the sky. It's a guardian, keeping our world in balance, quietly shaping the fate of life on Earth. Take a moment to appreciate that delicate cosmic choreography, because, in the grand scheme of things, nothing lasts forever, and the moon's presence is a gift we shouldn't take for granted.